Welcome to our next installment of our Wrekin Water Filtration How-To Guides. How to carry out a manual regeneration on an Eco Ultra series water softener. For this you will need just your finger. Are you ready? Let's go. To initiate a delayed regeneration, simply press and release the Eco button. You will see the regeneration light blink. This means that a regeneration will take place during the next regeneration time period, normally around 2 AM. To initiate an immediate regeneration, simply press and hold the Eco button for 3 seconds. This will start the process and you will hear the valve start. Once finished, it will return to the time display. That's it. We hope you continue to enjoy your soft water. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to our channel for the latest news and videos. Wrekin Water, purifying water, unleashing health.